everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Was having a great day. Went to Hermes today in Vancouver. Got a few items here. And we also went to the Coach store on Burrard, the flagship store. And we got an item there. So let's go ahead and open the Coach first. Let me get my glasses here so I can kind of figure it out. Make sure you like and subscribe and share and all that fun stuff. All right. Okay, here's the little pouch. Let's go ahead and open it up. I'll show you what I got. Okay, I got a bag charm for my Tea Rose Rogue. And that's what that looks like. Pretty cool. And that's the back. And then it just goes on the purse like that. Pretty cool. That's what I got at Coach. They were pretty happy to see us. Me and Ted went on the SkyTrain. And we had chicken teriyaki at the Quay. And we took the sea bus. So it was pretty cool. All right. So at Hermes, we got water. So that was nice. All right, they gave me a new calendar. That's part of their catalog and calendar type of thing. So I'll be looking through that. That's pretty cool. That's what that looks like. And we got a box like that. Got our receipt. We got some samples. Okay. So I got a refill. And let's see what this is. Beige Kalahari. And they come in refills like this where you can pop them in and pop them out. You just get the box. You don't get the orange box. But if you've never seen a refill, this is the way they come. And then you just pop that off. And there's the lipstick, and then you put this in the container. So that's what refills look like from Hermes. And they're about half the price, so keep that in mind. And then I got a limited edition Rouge Quay. And then that one comes in the orange box. It's a white box like that. Then you get the orange box like that. And you slide it. It comes in a dust bag. Like that. And this is the new limited edition style. It still has the magnet lid, and that's what and these are pretty cool. You put them on, and then you can, like, she was saying you can blend them in or something, and then they change a different color. So, yeah, we'll see how that goes. All right, So that was my highlight. And then the box is for my husband Ted. And I got him a gift set, which is pretty cool. And let's go ahead and open that up. Oh, they gave me one sample of Rouge H. She didn't have any of the other ones that I wanted. And then they gave me a few. They gave me H24. And they gave me Twilly Amber. Looks like that. And what's this one? Oh, this is the Rhubarb and Rose. Okay, so that's what they gave me in the samples. All right, let's go ahead and open the box. Comes with the ribbon as usual. They tie it really nice for you. Hermes. And this is what it looks like. So you get the Hermes D, and it's VET. Oh, no, I'm sorry. It's TERRE. Sorry about that. So you get the perfume, you get the travel size, and you get the aftershave. So you get like a little kit. So that's going to be cool. So we'll pop those out. Oh, they're hard to get out. Okay. Gosh. Okay, here's the travel size. Looks like that. It's kind of cool. And you just pop the top and it has the sprayer. And then the smaller one, jeez. Here we go. Is the aftershave. And then the bigger one is the cologne. Perfume, not cologne. Heaven forbid. Here, let me try to pull it out this way. There we go. Wow, these boxes. Look at these boxes. It's massive. Here we go. All right, that's what that looks like. All right, so that's my unboxing for today. See how that works. You must have to... Oh, okay, this is kind of tricky here. So if you ever get one of these, you just screw it down and then you spray it. Excuse me. And that's how you do it. Oh, excuse me. All right. There we go. All right. So until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view. Have a great day, guys, and thanks for watching. Bye now.